Before we get into today's video, we are going to check out my website where I sell human hair wigs. I sell 100% virgin human hair wigs. They all come ready to wear and are 100% glueless. Each wig is made with 100% virgin human hair and HD lace. They come plucked, bleached, and fully styled. You can wear them straight out the box. Each wig is made using measurements to ensure a secure fit, and an elastic band is added for extra security. Use code FIRSTORDER2024 at checkout for 20% off your first order. You can get an additional 15% off if you sign up for emails. Link in bio to shop. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do for this peekaboo color is we're going to turn the wig around and we're going to take a section in the back and pin the other sections out of the way. Now we're going to use 40 Volume Developer and Blonde Me Bleach. When applying the bleach, you want to work section by section to make sure each hair is coated with the mixture. So I'm working in about 4 to 5 sections and I'm coating the hair evenly throughout. And then I'm going to turn the hair on the other side and make sure I get the other side as well. And then after I apply the bleach on every single hair, I am going to put on a foil packet so it can start processing faster.
If she let her fuck, she suck it up. Make her fall in love with that on her tongue, perky on her tongue. She do it, walks for us, make her one of us. It's one next story. I'm those kids, glowing, the perky out rolling, valet, walking, I'm screaming, I'm talking, living up like story. I'm a perk over retarded, made a little corn, I need that respect. 700 grams, like super gas, I smoke, niggas on the next. Look, keep on showing until it's the left. I make 43, I'm going for shit. 20 years old, where I'm ready to fat. Before I show up, you're better than best in the best. Nigga, cause you think you're left. You're better than four, huh? I fucking pass it, sure, gonna get you in the dog.
After I put bleach on all sections of the hair, I let it sit for a while, then I took the foil packets out. This is how bright the hair got. After you take the foil packets out, you need to wash the hair with shampoo to get all the bleach out. I'm going to be using the color Hunter Green by Kiss Temptations, and then I'm going to put it in a bucket of hot water. It does not need to be boiling hot water. It can just be regular hot water or just warm water. And I'm going to add the color in and I'm going to mix it around. I suggest drying the hair before you dip it in the water so it can pick up the color more. I did not dry the hair before dipping in the water, so it was taking a while to pick up the color, so you should dry it. So you're going to want to put the hair in the water and keep ducking it in and out until you see it pick up some color, and then you're going to leave it in a bucket of water for a few minutes and then take it out and wash it with shampoo and conditioner. Here are the results after it's been fully washed and dried. This is me showing you what it looks like flipped up and what it looks like from the front. My client is going to wear this in a half up, half down, so I will show you what it looks like on her. If you want to see how I pluck this wig, check out my previous video. I will link it in the description below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any video suggestions, let me know.